Prostration Pose or Naman Pranamasana. The Sanskrit word Naman means to bow and Pranam means either to greet or compliment, and the word Asana means posture. This asana is one of the forward bend inversion and gives many of its benefits of headstand, Shirshasana, but to a lesser extent. The asana helps in relieving practitioner from many psychological disturbances. The asana strengthens the neck muscles and prepares the practitioner for headstand, Shirshasana. Start in Vajrasana. Place hands near the lower calves and glide towards ankles and grip the ankles firmly with 4 fingers, keeping the thumb uppermost. This is a starting position. Exhale, slowly bend torso forward and place the crown of the head on the floor in front of the knees. For comfort, place a small folded blanket under the head. Hold the ankles firmly with the hands. Inhale, raise the hips as high as possible, allowing the chin to press against the chest, simultaneously contracting the abdominal. A lot of thighs become almost vertical to the floor. Do not strain. Breathe while holding the pose. Exhale and lower the buttocks to the heels to assume to child pose. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Release the neck tension. Inhale and raise the torso upright and return to Vajrasana.